SAP BTP Cockpit is the central interface for managing and configuring your SAP cloud applications and services. Here's how to use it. Log into SAP BTP Cockpit. Open your browser and go to the SAP BTP Cockpit URL. You will need to log in using your SAP Cloud credentials. Choose your sub-account. Once logged in, you will see your global account. Navigate to the sub-account that corresponds to the region where your applications and services are deployed. Manage services. The cockpit allows you to configure and manage various services such as SAP HANA, SAP AI, SAP Integration Suite, etc. You can find available services under the Service Marketplace and subscribe to them for use in your applications. Monitor resources. You can view the health of your applications, services, and systems under the Monitoring tab. This includes system metrics like resource consumption, service usage, and alerts. Accessing applications. Under the Applications section, you can view, manage, and launch applications that you've deployed within your sub-account. Manage security and users. The cockpit provides tools for managing users, roles, and permissions under the Security section, ensuring proper access control.